Melting and pivoting are the basic tools needed to reshape and clean data. Another common data problem is when columns contain multiple bits of information. Here's a sample of the tuberculosis data used in the Tidy Data paper. There are counts of TB for each country, year, sex, and age group. In this example, the sex and age group are two variables stored in the same column. M014 represents males aged 0 to 14, and M1524 stands for males 15 to 24 years old. This is a problem. What we really want is a separate sex column and age group column. First, we need to melt the data down so the sex-age combination is in the same column. To do this, we pass in the data frame we want to melt. In the ID_vars parameter, we pass in the two columns we want to fix as a Python list. The remaining columns will be melted down. Now that we have a single column that represents both the sex and age group, we do a bit of string parsing to separate the variables in their own columns. Again, there's nothing particularly wrong with the original data shape. It is a common way this type of data is reported. But the shape that is used in reporting the case counts is not conducive for analysis because we will not be able to fit a model where age and sex are independent predictors. This is also an example where we are using a reshaping function to help with the data cleaning process. By first melting down the data, we are one step closer to having a tidy and clean data set. I'm going to show you how we can parse out the sex from the sex-age column, and you can build on the code to parse out both values. We want to create a new column, sex, that will just be the first character of the sex-age column. In order to extract the first character of the column, we specify the column from the data frame we want to parse. We use the str attribute of the column to treat the column as a string. This allows us to use Python's slicing syntax with square brackets to slice our string. Since we only want the first character of the string, we pass in the index 0. Since Python is a zero-index language, and we begin counting with 0. This gives us a new column that we called sex, and it just contains the first character of our sex-age column. Now it's your turn to fully tidy up this data set.